myself Jyoti Roy, student of Mugberia Gangadhar Mahavidyalaya, Gangadhar Mahavidyalaya MPA 4th fourth semester. Today I will discuss about basketball. Basketball, two passes, overhead pass and chase pass. What is the overhead pass and why we call the overhead pass? Overhead pass is a one type of long distance passes in game situation passes. Why we call the overhead pass? That because of we all pass the ball in overhead, like overhead or forehead called overhead. Forehead or head is called overhead. And stance execution and follow through. Stance execution and follow through part by part. I will discuss about what we can pass the ball in overhead position. Overhead pass. When we basketball play in game situation, we all are pass the ball in long distance or short distance. Some passes are short distance, some passes are long distance. So many passes are in basketball. They are hook pass, baseball pass, side pass, bounce pass, chase pass and overhead pass. My discussion topic is overhead pass. Overhead at first I will demonstration and then I will describe part by part. Okay. At first, grip the ball W shape. Our two hand, thumb finger are nearest and other fingers are apart to each another, and hand should be placed chest level. Stance position. Stance position. This is called stance, and our hand should be the place of overhead. Stance and leg should be apart to shoulder level. Execution. Our right leg slightly come front and knee will be bent, and left leg will be straight in back position, and hand should be placed over the head. And execution, our left leg is front and follow through. Our two hand is front the overhead, and our palm facing outer side, and finger should be straight, not like this or this position, that position, only straight. So I will part by part describe. Initial stance, execution, then follow through. So I will demonstrate this position. Initial stance, execution, then follow through. So our next part is chase pass. Chase pass, why we call chase pass? This pass should be pass chase level. So we all are called chase pass. This pass also some position are matching to overhead pass. That is stance position and follow through position are same position. some differences is our hand is overhead in overhead straight line, and chest pass is chest level straight line, or alignment is body alignment is shoulder level. Okay, we all are discuss chest pass. When our opponent player is nearest, then we all are pass the ball pass. This pass uses that because of is fast passing in the baseball pass. We all pass the ball in chest level, not this side, not this side, only this side. So I will first demonstrate, and then I will discuss about part by part. At first, stand, same position, initial stance, grip the ball, initial stance, execution, then follow through. When the follow through, our face two times passing are same. Face always front facing, and I should be contact our team member player. They give the pass, and I will pass the ball who was give the ball in chest level or overhead pass. So opponent player don't catch your strategy. Your eye should be contact to another player, or another player nearest, or some distance players. So I will demonstrate this side. Initial stance, execution, then follow through. Hand should be like straight level, and finger should be straight. Finger not so palm should be face outer side. Finger not placed to this side or this side, or this side. Not. Finger should be straight line, our shoulder level, or shoulder body alignment is shoulder level, not facing this, not like this, only facing shoulder level. So student, I will demonstrate overhead pass and chest pass. So at first, again and again, at first I will demonstrate overhead pass, this side or this side. Okay, at first overhead pass, initial stance, execution, then follow through, and chest and this side. Initial stance, execution, then follow through, and then chest pass. Stance, execution, then follow through. Stance, execution, then follow through. So I will try to my level best, and goodbye everyone.